Hey Daniel, this is Holden. I spoke with you earlier on Facebook and I said I was going to send you over this video. In this video, I basically want to go over a few things that I think that you can improve upon that would start increasing the traffic to your business, getting found easier in the search results online. And like I said, I'm going to give you a few things that you can do and implement yourself. I'm also going to take a look at how much traffic your website is getting and that of your top competitor in your area, and a few ways that you can beat them out and start collecting some of the traffic that they have. And a lot of times, the only hesitation I see people have to hiring someone for this sort of thing is they really don't know who the experts are and who they're not. And that's why I do this video, just so I can show people that there are some things that you can do and provide you with some value. And it's really resulted in a lot of business owners just coming back to me and saying, Holden, I could really use your help. So if by the end of this video you want to chat some more, we can definitely do that. If not, that's totally fine too. These things are for you. Please implement them, and you'll start seeing some more traffic to your website. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I got your website up here. I like that you got some pictures of your work, and they're actual pictures of some things you've worked on. So that's much better than just the things you pull off of stock images. When it comes to Google optimization, the first thing Google looks at is content, right? So they want to see at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage for optimization. I'd say you've got probably, about 200, maybe 300 words. So you've fallen short significantly of the content on your homepage. This guy over here, he is the first one that pops up in the search results when I search for Granite Countertops in Denver. It's the stone collection. And here I can show you, this is just a tool that pulls some metrics off his page. Shows me he's got 820 words. So while he's still falling short of that 1,500, it's much more than what you have, right? So that's one reason that he's outranking you specifically. Now, in addition to content, you want to make sure that you're adding in keywords. And keywords are basically anything that people are searching for in this bar to find you. Now, there's different keywords that you can pick. You can see there's a lot of them here. Google kind of recommends some, and these are things that people are actually searching. And you want to put these exact words into your content so Google can match what people are searching for to the most relevant content out there, right? And then the next thing I want to show you over here is this is called the Google Map Pack. This is an amazing tool. It's obviously the first thing that pops up on Google when you search something. So it's very great way to collect a lot of traffic. And the way you get into this Google Map Pack, there's only 3 positions, is by getting your name, address, and phone number out there as many times as possible into as many directories as possible. And those are things like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp. Anywhere you can get your name, address, and phone number out there is considered a directory. And the key is consistency. If your business on your website is different than that of the name on your Google My Business or that of any directories, Google kind of sees that as confusing to a potential customer, and they'll deduct you authority points. So you need to make sure your name, address, phone number, hours, everything is exactly consistently the same across all of them. And then you'll start ranking up into this area right here. Down here is the organics. This is basically where most people click on, right? And you never really want to be on the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th page because no one will ever click there and they won't find you. So to get on the first page, what you need to do is kind of look at Google like it's a popularity contest. There's these things out there that are called backlinks. Backlinks are basically links from other websites that link to your website. So you can see some of the ones that they have here. And basically, the more of these links that you have, the more authoritative that Google sees your website is. They see a lot of things pointing in your direction, and they start adding more authority and boosting you up in the search results. With that being said, not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure you're finding links that are relative to your industry and have to do with actual whatever your services you offer. So, granite and marble and stone countertops. This is a tool called Ahrefs. This is basically the most powerful tool in my industry that I can use to look at someone's website and see how much traffic they're getting to their website monthly and why, right? So this is your website right here, and it really has no statistics on it at all. It does look like, you might have a little bit of authority just from being there over a longer period of time, but you have no websites or backlinks linking to your website, and you have no traffic monthly. So if we look at the stone collection over here, you can see that they get about 2,400 people to their website a month. and they have 902 keywords that people are searching for. And additionally, they only have 77 websites linking to their website, and that's not a real significant amount. This over here kind of shows me how many links they have. This is the quantity of links, and this is the quality of those links. So that's what I mean when there's backlinks that are not super authoritative. These two numbers should be as close together as possible. Good ratio is 1-to-1, obviously with the numbers being higher on both sides. But just to reiterate, the three things I want you to take a look at are content. And make sure you're getting at least 1,500 words on this page. That'll really start helping your rankings, adding in keywords that people are searching for, and you can get those kind of looking at Google itself and looking at some of these recommendations, right? There's some down here at the bottom as well. These are things that people are searching for, and you want to pick the ones that are buyer intent. So, like cheap granite countertops, that's not super a good keyword just because it's not very much buyer intent. Granite countertops near me, that might be a good one. Quartz countertops Denver, these are ones that that people are actually reaching out to purchase that service right away. And then for this right here, name, address, and phone number into as many directories as possible, right? Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. And then down here, you want to make sure that you're getting some backlinks, and this will boost you up into the search results. And then you can start collecting some traffic to your website, because right now you're getting pretty much nothing. But if you're even able to take a fraction of the traffic away from this guy, 100, 200 people a month, that would result in a lot of new customers to your business. So I hope this was helpful. And like I said, if you want to chat some more, reach out to me. I'd love to hear just some feedback or thoughts of the video, whether you're interested or not. But I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and have a great rest of your week. Talk to you later.